Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to download just on page of a Google Sheets. Let's begin. First of all, open your Google Sheets and find your sheets. Okay. Then select, drag your mouse, then select your page. You selected, you download this page, all page or selected page. Example, I download to this mark options selected area. Then press hold Control press P. Print, click the drop down menu, use selected cells. Okay. Next, and destinations, save as PDF. Click save as PDF. Margins default. Options, background graphics, use or not use as you wish. Then click save and save your locations. Example, location desktop. Save and go to your desktop. See this. Now we can see this. Download just on page of a Google Sheet. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.